Everyone, welcome to Jira. So, Jira is basically a project management tool. A bug tracking and agile project management is allowed in Jira. It is developed by Atlassian. So, Jira basically supports languages like English, French, German, Japanese, Spanish, etc. So, it is called multilingual tool. So, for all types of testing, it is widely called as a issue tracking tool. Okay, so here you can see Atlassian have three major products. So if you can see under product, you can see let's say Java Jira software, Jira service text, and Jira code. So Jira software, it is basically a agile project management tool where you can see the different Scrum or Kanban or whatever it is, but you will see like backlog, roadmaps, or reports, all are integrated and add-ons to your plan. So you can manage all your software, agile software development project from a single tool. The Jira Service Text is a build on Jira that's turned into an intuitive service text tool. So basically, Jira Service Text is then powered through here you can see SLA, customizable queues, automated request management, and real-time reporting. So next we'll go to Jira Core. Jira Core is basically your development. It's basically used in a project and task management solution that everybody used in the organization. So you can plan, track, and report to work. So this means everyone using the same system. So next we'll go to create project. So today we'll see how to we'll create a project. For that we have to click on the project. So then once you click on the project, you can see there will be a create project button. Once you click it, then you can see. So this is basically software development. So under that you can see three like your Kanban, Scrum, and bug tracking. So depending on your project requirement, if you are bug tracking, then you can select bug tracking, or it is like Scrum Sprint, then you can click on Scrum, or you can click on Kanban. So today we will use Scrum. We'll create a project using Scrum. So Scrum, it is basically a template. So it is predefined template in Jira. So let's say here you can see it is Scrum and there is option to use template. So once you click the use template, here you can see two types. It is team managed and your company managed. So basically we will select team managed. Then you can see you have to add project details. So here project details, you have to add project name. So here we'll add test project 1. So below you can see there is a key which will be auto generated. But yeah, we can manually edit it. So we'll edit it to tip key for our easy reference. Then we will create project. So now you can see our project dashboard. So this is the test project 1 dashboard. So here you can see what you can see this sample template to do in progress. Then we have to create issues right in a box. So for that we have to click on the project setting on the left hand side. Then we have to go to issue types. So there are few by default issue type like bug, story, task. So if you want to create your, I mean any manual or issue type, then we have to create. We have to click on the add issue type. You can see in the left hand side plus button. Then you have to give the name. Let's say we'll give okay. We have to create a issue type like testing. Then you can put your description. What is this issue type? Then you click and create. So you can see this is created already, and you can see under issue type the testing is there. So today in this video you will learn about how to create a project and how to create an issue type. Thank you.